Are you curious about Parrot OS and Kali Linux? Let's dive into their differences and see which one might be right for you. In this video, we'll compare two popular operating systems used for security testing and ethical hacking, Parrot OS and Kali Linux. Both offer powerful tools, but they have unique features that set them apart. Both Parrot OS and Kali Linux are designed for security professionals. They come packed with tools for penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and digital forensics. If you're in the cybersecurity field, you might find both of these options appealing. Let's start with Parrot OS. This system is known for its user friendly interface. It focuses not only on security but also on privacy. Parrot OS includes tools for anonymous web browsing and secure communications. It's a great choice for those who want a balance between security and usability. Now, let's look at Kali Linux. Kali is the heavyweight champion in the hacking community. It has a vast library of tools, more than 600 inches fact. Kali is often the go-to choice for professionals who need advanced capabilities for penetration testing. However, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. So, what are the key differences? Parrot OS is more beginner friendly and emphasizes privacy. Kali Linux, on the other hand, is geared toward experienced users who need a comprehensive set of tools. When it comes to features, both offer great options. Parrot has a strong focus on privacy, while Kali excels in providing a wide range of tools for different types of testing. In terms of pricing, both are free to download and use, so cost is not a factor here. In the end, if you're new to security or want a user friendly experience, go with Parrot OS. If you're an expert looking for extensive tools and features, Kali Linux is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.